What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Thionic, and today's video we're gonna talk about why you're not seeing any progress in the gym. If you, like many people I have seen, I remember I took a 6-month hiatus, came back, people are still looking the same in the gym. It blew my mind, bro. I actually went up to one dude and asked him, "You been working out this whole time since I've been off?" He actually said yes. I was like, whoa. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about why you're not seeing progress and how you can start seeing progress. The main reason why you probably ain't seeing progress, and this is the main reason, you probably ain't pushing yourself hard enough in the gym. And what I mean by that, you're probably coming in doing your same routine that you've been doing since you came on in the gym. You will never grow that way. The main way how you gonna grow, you have to use muscle confusion, and you have to hit the fast twitch and your slow twitch muscles. So this is what I'm gonna do. Everybody out there that's my hard gainers, anybody out there, all right, bro. Anybody out there that's having a hard time putting on weight, anybody out there having a hard time seeing progress, that's what I want you to do. First, go check out the Ultimate Workout. Start with that, okay? Start with that. You're gonna start packing on a total amount of mass. This is for all my hard gainers, all my skinny guys out there that ain't seeing no progress. That's what I want you to do. Every day you come in the gym, I don't want to see you on the tricep machine. I don't want to see you on the cardio machine. I don't want to see you on any cables. All right? No cables at all. I want you to build your foundation. And once you got your foundation built, the crossover, the carryover from the next exercise you're going to be able to do is going to be insane. I'm telling you, once you get your foundation impact and intact, it's game over, bro. Next time you get on them cables, you're gonna be like, okay, this is super light. All right, let's take that little bar and go down a little bit. Before my hard gainers, that's what I want you to do. As soon as you come in the gym, I need 10 sets of 5 deadlifts out of you. Not heavy weight, a nice medium weight. 10 sets of 5. And after you do the 10 sets of 5, I need your butt on that bench, bro. And don't do flat at all. Don't do flat. I need you to do incline and decline only. For your incline, I want you to do 10 sets of 5 of the heaviest weight you can do. All right, not too heavy. All right, you should be able to do that weight. The weight you're working with, you should be able to do it 6 times. All right, but you're only doing 5. No, you should be able to do it 7 times. So find a weight that's heavy enough that you only do it 7 times. And at the 7th time, it's hard to hit it. All right, then once you find that weight, I need you to do 10 sets of 5 of that on incline. Then I need you to find your weight on decline. Your declines will be a lot heavier. Like whatever you do on the incline, you probably gonna do 3 times. 3 times is a little bit too much, but you should be able to do twice as much of that on your incline. On your decline weight. And on your decline, find a weight where you can only do 7. We only do 7 because that 7 rep, it's killing you. That's gonna be your weight you wanna work out with. I need 10 sets of 5 of those. All right, do that for about 2 weeks. All right, come in the gym, 10 sets of 5 on the deadlifts, a nice medium weight, close to heavy. You don't wanna mess you back up, and make sure you get your form. Form is key. And after you do that, head on to that bench, give me decline, incline. Do that for about 2 weeks. I also need you to pick up some protein and creatine. That is key. If you ain't on that protein and creatine, you're slipping out there, man. Actually, that's the only thing you need. If you only can afford 2 supplements, or you only need 2 supplements, you're only able to buy 2 supplements, the only 2 supplements you need is protein and creatine. You don't need none of the other mess, man. Now, for all my hard gainers out there, remember, 10 sets of 5 on the deadlifts, nice medium weight. I need your butt to get on the incline and decline. Heavy weight, 10 sets of 5 on each. After you do that for about 2 weeks, you got your creatine, you got your protein. Matter of fact, the longest you stay in the gym with this exercise, the longest, you should stay no longer than this. Maybe an hour at the max, maybe an hour and 20 minutes. If you're in the gym longer than an hour and 20 minutes, you're doing something wrong. You is doing something wrong. Matter of fact, if you're in the gym actually longer than 45 minutes, you're actually pushing yourself, you work yourself hard, you're actually killing your gains. Because it's some chemical when you're in the gym, you actually push yourself really hard, it starts deteriorating your muscles. That's the last thing you want to do is deteriorate your muscles. So you want to stay in the gym a max an hour and 20 minutes. Make sure you get that protein and make sure you get that creatine. You don't need nothing else. Because you don't need nothing else, just protein, creatine, and that's it. Like I said, 10 sets of 5 with deadlifts, 10 sets of 5 on the incline and decline. And I'm telling you, in 2 weeks, you're gonna start seeing size. When you start seeing the size, that's when you're gonna switch it up. That's when the muscle confusion come in. After the 2 weeks, I'm gonna meet y'all with another one. I'm gonna tell you what to do after that. But this is your boy Thionic, man, hitting y'all with another one. Tell you how to put on weight for all my hard gainers out there. How you know to see progress in the gym. Telling you, follow this routine, you're gonna see progress within no time. This is your boy Thionic, signing out. Peace.